Hey guys, how you doing? Today I'm going to do truck sounds and diesel trucks. I'm in an empty room with the echo in it. Here's a 12-valve Cummins. Now here is a Dodge Cummins cold start. Ready? Sorry, the humidifier thing's on. So now I'm going to do a Dodge Cummins burnout. Ready? Now I'm going to do let me think. I'm going to do a semi truck. Okay, I'm just driving it on the road. And I'm going to do the Jake brake too. Now I'm going to do a squatted truck doing the revving up thing and the cranking it up thing. Now I'm going to do a NASCAR, racing on the track. Alright, now I'm going to do a Chevy Duramax. Now I'm going to do a 6.0 Power Stroke. And a turbo. Alright guys, I'll see y'all in the next one. Subscribe and like. Bye.